Okay, so today I figured I'd show you guys a little behind the scenes of my editing. I've already kind of edited this one here. Now I need to do some of my fine touches. So this little guy ran into a pole the day before our session. So I asked his mom, and she was wanting to see if we could get this scab out of here for their pictures. But first, what I'm going to do is go through and sharpen and brighten the eyes a little bit. Let's see. I think I might want that just a little bit more. Bring my shadows up a touch and my whites. That looks better. Let's see. I think I might put one more on his eyes. It's pretty dark here, and we'll see how that looks. Let's see. Just going to go and erase it off of his eyelid, cover the area just barely. And then Lightroom does a pretty good job of selecting a spot for you most of the time, but sometimes I like to move it. You should keep it in the same general area though. Like you don't want to do a spot for the forehead and take it from the cheek because the pore size is different. You probably wouldn't be able to tell on this picture, but super close-ups you would be able to. See, like this one, I don't like that one over there, so I'm going to move it onto a similar spot on his nose. Alright, let's see. So much better. Now I like to look at it on a white background. I'm gonna brighten it just a little. Black. And then medium. Yep, I like it. Looks good.